Today, I share with you what I called custard infused buns, a recipe that you will never regret giving a try. Hello everyone, welcome back to another interesting one, so let's begin. We'll start by making the custard. In a saucepan, I added 2 eggs. Take your time and beat the eggs for about a minute. Once that is done, I move in with sugar, a cup of vanilla flavor, and cornstarch. You are going to take your time and mix till there are no lumps. Thank you so much for watching today's video. To my returning subscribers, I appreciate you all. If you are new here, a warm welcome to you. Please subscribe to my channel. Also like and share this video with your loved ones. Alright, after mixing, I move in with milk. Once that is done, I'm going to quickly stir, then transfer the saucepan to my stove and start stirring non-stop. Please, you don't want to excuse this to go and check your social media updates. You don't even want to do that. If you are with me at this moment, type no excuse. Alright, as you continue to mix, it will start to thicken. It doesn't take time, alright? Once it gets to your consistency, take it off the heat. Transfer into another bowl. The more it cools down, the thicker it becomes, alright? Once I transfer into a bowl, I'm going to quickly stir again. Now you can either keep this in your refrigerator or just keep it in your kitchen and allow to cool down completely while we prepare the dough. In another bowl, add instant yeast to that, moving with sugar and warm water. You can substitute the warm water with warm milk if you wish. Mix to combine very well. Now I'm moving with a cup of vanilla flavor, melted butter, and mix again. You can also use melted margarine, alright? It is time to move in with the flour. Always sift the flour before making use of it, alright? Once that is done, do you have some custard powder in your kitchen? Add 2 tablespoons of custard powder and a pinch of salt. Start mixing. I am going to mix till everything is well combined. Beautiful shout out to you, Nasilele, watching from Zambia, Mia from Somalia, Dokas from Akure, Ondo State, Eva from Tanzania, and Mary all the way from Uganda. Whoops! Aww, I'm glad you all love the recipe. Please let me know your name and where you're watching from so I can give you a shout out in my next video. Apologies if I didn't pronounce your name very well, okay? Alright, continue mixing and kneading till you form a smooth dough. Now you are going to transfer the dough back into the mixing bowl. Cover and keep anywhere warm around your home to prove. 40 minutes later, voila, look what we have. It has doubled in size again. I'm going to chop knuckle with that dough. Transfer back to the work surface, knead for a few seconds. Now you are going to cut into the pieces that you'll be working with, alright? Please don't forget to check the description box for the list of the ingredients and their measurements. I will also drop the list at the comment section. Be sure to check that out in case you want to give this recipe a try, alright? Like I said before, you are going to form some balls with the dough, alright? After forming, you should have these boys looking at you. Now, remember the custard we prepared earlier, it has thickened. Like I said earlier, the more it cools down, the thicker it becomes. Now you are going to stir again to make sure that everything is well combined. Make sure there are no lumps, alright? It is ready at this point. Transfer into a piping bag and set it aside for later use, alright? Now we are going to go back to the dough. It is time to work with the boys. I pick up one of the boys, give it a gentle massage and slightly roll. Do not roll too flat, okay? Once that is done, it is time to move in with the custard filling. Have I told you that you can also use this same custard filling for your donut filling? Yeah, if you don't have a melted chocolate, you can use this custard filling, all right? Now, the most important part of this recipe is the closing part, all right? You are going to make sure that you close properly so that it does not burst out while frying or baking. You wouldn't want that, all right? Watch the way I'm going to close properly, or should I say seal properly. All right, this is what I have, okay? You can see that it is properly closed. Give it a gentle massage like so. It is ready. Go ahead and repeat the same process with the remaining ones. Arrange in an open tray just like so. It is time to cover. You are going to cover again and allow to proof for the second time. This time for 10 minutes. 10 minutes later, voila! It's either you air fry, bake, or you can fry with an oil. Now, look at the way the boys are looking. They look so smooth. If you are with me at this moment, type cute boys. Go ahead and drop the boys one after the other into a deep, hot, moderate oil. After dropping into the hot oil, allow the boys to behave the way they want. If you watch up on this minute, I appreciate you so much. It also means that you're enjoying this video. Please give this video a like. Also subscribe to my channel. Let's be family. Thank you so much. After dropping into the hot oil, allow the boys to cook for about 2 to 3 minutes on low heat, all right? Flip them around from time to time, fry according to your preference. Or once they are golden brown like so, they are ready. Take it off the heat, put in a paper towel to drain out the excess oil. And that is basically all for the preparation. Now, you can go ahead and enjoy just the way it is, but I'm going to take one more step further. I added some sugar in another bowl with a touch of cinnamon. Go ahead and coat the boys one after the other. And that is basically all for this recipe. The boys are boysing. Do you love these boys? Do you? Do you? If you do, type another banger at the comment section. I love these boys. They look so cute. Now, here is the interesting part about this recipe. They are very crispy outside, but moist inside because of the custard powder added to it. I open it and this is what the inside looks like. Super yummy. Remember, homemade is better than junk. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Bye.